Oh, it's a little early. No, it's too early. It's 2:59. You're gonna wait. Is Blizzard? I opened my Blizzard app accidentally. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome. I know that stuff hasn't happened in a while, so sorry about that. Last time we went off on our thing. Oh, Gmail's active. Gmail, no. Close Gmail right now. Ugh. Okay, so as you all know, I didn't do Saturday or Sunday. I wanted to do a Saturday and Sunday thing, but I didn't. So, no more recording thingy, and hopefully people will start heading in. So, I'm just gonna start doing this as the normal way of just making the bat. So we started off or ended off with the bat stuff. So today we're gonna continue off with the Robo Bat. And I didn't change anything since our last stream, so nothing different. So there's nothing to show you. So we still got the flying bat, and we're gonna make it an object. So we have the textures already. We can just go ahead and start making the stuff. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I gotta get out of there. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new group. I'm gonna call this one enemy 8. Now the reason why I'm calling it enemy 8 is because wait, can I do wait. Okay, so I'm gonna undo that. If I can undo all of that. Okay, I'm just gonna press enter then. I'm gonna delete that. Can I duplicate this? Oh, I can't. Okay, so that's not what I wanted to do. Object 100. Delete? Really? Wow. Okay, so we're just gonna create a normal enemy. So let's duplicate. Oh, I just backtracked everything. So let's go back to. What the heck? Oh, what? Okay. What just happened there? Let's add a group. Whoops. Add a group. I don't have my chat thing on. I gotta get that working. No, stop. Get out of there. I need to make sure that my chat is good. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ah, here we go. So there we go. Yeah, yes. Welcome to the stream, Garrett Chenault. Okay. Enemy 8, right? Yeah, it's 8. Yeah, I need a second monitor. Okay. Enemy. The duplicate. So we're just gonna put them in here. There we go. So now I just need to work on this one, and then I have to duplicate it a bunch of times. So the way this is gonna work, I'm gonna make certain things not work at all. So I'm thinking of the enemy 8, P, because that's what it is. Enemy 8, and everything in here should be almost exactly the same. The only difference is, the spawner isn't, tracking this out and doing all that stuff that we want it to do. So we're going to work on this bat. So the first thing I want to make sure that it's doing the same thing. HP plus, what did I do for enemy 2? Hold on, I need to check. Okay, sweet. So this is just the HP system. I'm just going to increase it to what should we have it to? I gotta turn down some volume right now. There we go. What HP system should I have? If it's the 8 enemy, because the Betsy, hold on, I just breathed into my thing. What is Betsy's HP at? 750 plus. Should I make it 500? That seems more obvious. Because it's going to be 500. No, 300. 300. Okay, there we go. So what they are going to be doing is, I have an idea. So for this, can I just, oh, which one? And projectile 5 is Hex Tower's projectile. Projectile 6 is the Mage Maker. Let's make it so this one can't be 0. So let's just do that. Did that affect the parent? So what I have is, I have a parent object, if you know what that means. Oh, parents. Where's the parents? Ah, here they are. Did that change? Oh, all the projectiles are here. Wait, this one isn't. Okay, so I just delete that. Sweet. So that's good. Does one? What's that? Oh yeah, that's the poison. So that's good. So we got that one. That doesn't work on him. The flamethrower is supposed to be a melee, so 0. And let's remove this with other instance destroy, because that just destroys the projectile when it hits him. Tesla Tower. Let's make it do less damage, but it still does damage. I know the Robo Cactus. So these 3 right here. This is the Mage Maker, the Hex Tower, and Robo Cactus. I know these. Wait, I should go to Hex Tower real quick. So I do know that this one, and that one are supposed to hit flying objects. Fire rate 6. Bullet speed. What's bullet speed? 30. So the bullet speed is 30. I just need to make sure that I don't even know what is room speed? What is my room speed set to? I don't even remember. Okay, so I was just trying to check something there. So we have these, or I mean, wait, did that change? 10, 25. So this one's locked. This one is not locked. So what if I change it to 15? Did I change it here? No, I just changed it for that one. But I'm going to keep that in 25. So the 3 towers that I have, so this one's not supposed to work. This one is supposed to do less damage, and this one is not supposed to work. Which I need the satellite sniper to work. So I think I'm going to fix that. I'm going to create a new projectile for the satellite sniper. You know, because we don't have one for it, and we need a projectile for it. So let's remove this. Let's remove that out of there, that out of there. So we just have this. And then I need to go back to this guy right here and see. Okay, minus that. So what's Betsy at? What is Betsy at? Because I'm using Betsy right now. Should it be the same speed as, what speed should it be at? Let's make it faster than... So let's open one of those, and then open one of, where are they? One of these. So, they both have different codes. So, create. This one has 0.5. Let's make it 0.7. So 0.7 is the speed we want it to go. So what I'm going to do here is minus 0.7. There we go. So that's good, right? That should be good, right? Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we have that enemy. we have it. So I should have this in the middle center because that's going to break that. So let's make sure that's in order. So now that we have the enemy, but we don't have it in the maps. So I want to make sure that they're in the maps. But before we do that, before we get them in the maps, we have to, I'm going to go ahead and go to Windows, close all. There we go. Nice, clean, nothing screen. So I'm going to duplicate, how many enemy maps are there? There are 8 maps, right? I'm planning on 8. There's 7 currently, so duplicate 1, Control D. So Control 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there we go. We got 7 of these. So let's open this one. So this would be D. This would be F for forest. This would be what would this one be? What is that called? Oh yeah, S. There we go. How many people are watching on my thing? S. This one would be what would this one be? What's it's volcanic, right? Yeah, it's volcanic. So it would be V. Volcanic. This one would be W. And then M for moon. So there we go. We got all of them. So I want to... Wait, I can just double click on this one and it takes me to it. So I want to give this one path... Path for desert is 1. Path 1. For this one, it would be path... 2A. 2A. So I gotta duplicate this one again. So duplicate... And I'm gonna put that up there. Did I put it in spot? Where did I put it? Where'd it go? What? Go in there. Okay. Create. This would be path to B. I forgot about this. So this would be F. This would be FB, right? This would be FB. I wish there was some sort of organization thing that it would just be alpha. Like, I don't know, it's annoying. This is A, right? Yeah, A. There we go. Okay, so we just fixed that problem. So now we know that, but I do want to make something clear. Does the speed of A and B change? So this one is 0.3, this is 0.3. So the speed doesn't change, right? Yeah, it doesn't look like the speed changes between the two. So I can keep the speed the same. So if we go all the way back to S, this is path 3. V is path 4. Yeah. Create, this is path 5. It's not 5W. Create 6. Path 6. What's 6? Moon. Oh, I gotta make it. So this is M-A. Okay, there we go. A, and then I gotta duplicate. Let's make it B. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay, so 6B. There we go. So we did that. We have the enemies in their area. We have the enemies that they will follow the path, and now we have the perfect thing for us now. So now that we got that done, it's not over yet. It's not over yet. So let's close all the windows. Close all. Windows, close all. Let's go to spawners. So P, D, F, S, B, W, M. So these are all the spawners. So if you saw our episode for Moon, the Moon episode, the last one. Oh, wait, no, did I make the spawner from... Yeah, I did. So for the Moon episode, which was the last stream, I showed you what all this was. So 1P, Now we need to create a new thing. So we need to go here, Control C, Control V, and what? So we need to make sure that this is the same. So this is enemy 8. So that's good. Now we need to make it what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, enemy, what wave should it be? It's in between 5 and 9, so it should be 7, right? That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. I think I can get to 7 on this level. So there we go. So we got that spawner done. Alarm 0. Alarm 0. So, and now I need to make a copy again. And this would be wave 7. This is 8D. Oops. Boop. There we go. And that should work now. Alarm 0. Okay, this one, the levels on these ones are different because we have 9A and then AA. A. So I'll just make a normal. I'll just grab this one right here. Oh, I'll just grab this one right here. Control C, and then oops, and then there we go. And then we need to make this enemy 8 wave 7 because it's A. And then what did I do? So this would be wave 14, right? Because 3 is eyesore. Does eyesore not go to... Eyesore goes to wave 5. Is it 3 plus? But that doesn't make sense for this. Oh, I know why I made Betsy. This is Betsy, right? Yeah, that's Betsy. So I may ever remember why I put Betsy at 18. So let's make this one 15. Control C. 15. So 15. There we go. Yay! So that's 15. Just one over the halfway point. So this should be B. Ow, my back. I stretched. And that hurts my back. Okay, there. Control C. Boop. What is this? Snowy. Oh, okay. So Snowy already has its variant of wave 7 because I remember. That's the Ice Cube guy. That's nice. So let's change this guy to 11 and put this guy at 9. Let's put him at 9. There we go. Create. Wait, is it the right enemy? No, it's 8. Or 8. So, there we go. Now we can do this one. 6. What's enemy 6? That's Flam. So, Flam. So, Flam is 10. I mean, it wouldn't conflict with anything, so just make that. Let's make this V, 8V, and it's the same level, so that's good. Create, or not create, alarm, so we're almost to moon. W is waterfall. Oh, my back popped right now. But, wait, who's 7? Oh, that's the water, that's tap. Wait, does that conflict with desert's tap, then? It's right here. Ah, yeah. Because I wanted a good progression system, so I guess this one would have to be 11, and this one would have to be 9. There we go. Okay, so I can immediately go to spawners, W, because tap is the water dude. So this would be 8W. Let's make Betsy wave 11 again, and this wave 9. And then now we gotta do this guy. So what if I put those two next to each other, right? For forest. Did I put the two? Yeah, so I just need to grab these two, Control C them, or whoops, no, I don't want to mess it up. Control Z, Control C, right? Yeah, and then I want to go to waterfall, or moon. I want to go to moon, and then there's nothing conflicting with the levels, so Control V, 7, 15, and then I just gotta change to M, and then to M. There we go. So we just completed our first enemy. Or not our first enemy, like the first enemy on stream, though. So we did it. Okay, sweet. So the other thing that you guys wanted me to do was create a new tower. So let's create a new tower. Let's do it. So let's close that. Let's close all the windows here. Just close all. There we go. Now we can create. So let's close all this right now because I don't have the text for it. So for this one, I want it to be a little bit of a trash tower. So I was thinking of this idea a while ago known as traps. So that's enemies. So basically traps are things that are very cheap, but they can be broken in a certain amount of points. So spikes is going to be it's going to cost five coins, so you can start setting up immediately for wave 4. Instead of waiting for, so it's just kind of a balancing act. So let's make it 5 coins, but before we do that, or gold, whatever you like to call it, S Tower 9. It's or S, let's make it a trap. Tarp. S Tarp 9. Trap 9. So we did that. So enter. Or why is there 9? S trap 1. There we go, because I'm going to have the traps in different areas. 16 or 32 by 32. Apply. Edit image. Here we go. So let's make it a little more visible by removing that bottom part and the object stuff. So now we have a clear image. I'm going to split this in half because this is a cool tool for making sprites. So I don't want to make anything looking like the moon. So I'm going to take a black kind of thing just to add. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I want to add kind of a up vertical, kind of like an up thing, and then starts to go. Control Z, and then it starts to go up more. There we go. So let's go up a little more, and then add 4 little spaces there. You know, I'm going to get the line tool. The line tool is handy for this, and kind of, this type of pixel art making. So it starts to... Uh-oh. I messed it up. I messed that little part up. So it starts to get to the middle area. So from there, it's from here, right? Nope. Control C. It's just from here, right? Yeah. So, wait, I have an idea. So, let's Control Z that. And then, so like that. And then for this one, let's make it kind of like a different edge to it. There we go. So now we can also create, that looks good, right? Let me know in the chat if that looks good. Does that look like a spike right now? This is kind of just the base of it. Because, you know, bases are cool. let's add kind of a shading kind of attribute to it, because I know the shading tool, this is a shading trick that you guys can use if you like to make pixel art too. It makes it look more 3D. So if I get the pencil, boop, or I could have just right clicked, but I don't want to right click, so I'm just gonna get that and then that right there. And so that looks good right now. What do you guys think? So now let's add more shading to this. There we go, and then boop. So that looks kind of good now. Uh-oh. There we go. So that's starting to make it look like it's brightening up. Let's make, so it was right here, and let's get a little brighter image for the bottom part, for this little bottom area. This one, right? There we go. So let's make the inside area kind of, you know, nice to look at. So let's fill it in. Let's fill it in with this right there. Just as the normal thing. So I'm gonna take the normal pencil, and I'm gonna see. I'm going to fill this in one more time. Just kind of get a good. Oh, that's the same color. Just get a good thing. So that's the same color as the bottom part. So this will do. That'll do. That'll do. So this is brighter than this. So that means we got to get that little piece, because that's the same color. So if we add it here, start adding it to the little sides, because it's just a nice shade. It's a nice shade thing right there. There we go. So it's nice little shade to the sides, like little. You can call them little side brows, little shady side brows. So now we can get this a little bit darker, because it's getting up more. So these are more darker side brows. And it goes all the way up top, because that's how I'm gonna get the lining tool for this part right here, because I know because it's gonna make it look a little more fancier. Right there, boop, and then boop, boop. There we go. So now we can take this shading tool, because we're not done. It doesn't look the best right now, so let's just add the one thing I don't like about the spikes idea is because of the texture. The texture, or the sprites for it, because it's too dark. The grayness kind of conflicts with what I'm trying to do with the other maps. Besides Moon, and especially since Moon still has that colory stuff in it, you know, because it's got the little ant guys. It's got the purple seats. It's got everything that you might like out of a thing. So we're halfway through the stream. That's amazing. Yay, halfway through the stream. That looks good. Let's add a little, just to make it more colory, because, you know, I just love color. I think anyone can agree that you like color, unless you don't know what color is, and then you're like, huh? Who are you? Who is this monster not knowing what color is? So I kind of want to add, like, I know this is a little gory, but that doesn't feel like the game, though. Have that blood on it. So instead of having blood on it, let's have blue on it. It's a better compromise, because it shows that they've been in combat before. I have Minecraft music stuck in my head, and it is really nice. It's really nice having music stuck in my head. There we go. Some people may disagree. Some songs are annoying, like It's Friday. Ugh. Or, any other song. So let's add a little more blue in here, just to make it look more gooey. Let's take that line out. That looks good. That looks good right now. So, it's Friday, Friday, dinner down on Friday. Welcome to the weekend. Hey, hey, done, fun, fun, fun. Welcome to the weekend. Okay, so we got the spikes. So we did that. Stretch a little bit. So now I can, that looks good. So I want to make it middle center. That just tells it where's the orange in the sim. Is right? So, boop. Ah, the lovely not so good screen. So now we got that done. We're not done yet. I want to make the system for this trap good. Because, you know, traps are probably very good. It's a cool concept, I think. So today, we're going... So, O region. O region. So, O region is very important. So today, I'm going to make sure that this is not... Wait, I have to make... no. Oh, no. Tower parent. Does it have a collision with tower parent? Does each enemy have a collision with tower parents? Wait, why would it have a collision with tower parents? Okay, sweet. So I can there's no event on the tower parent though. I have a script though. Yeah, that doesn't. So this is used for O region. What the O reg, this little thing right here is for. It's for making sure that your towers can't be placed on the trails. So I'm gonna make something that's the opposite, but for traps. So on towers themselves, they have that O region. They have that O region alarm, right? No, not on this one. It's towers drag. It's the drag tower, right? Color step. If place meeting with X, Y, O reg, and, if place meaning X, Y, O reg, or place meaning O tower parent. So, okay, so that's what it's used for. I can add spikes to the O tower parent. I can copy this, but I can change it to... Then why is there a script? Why do I have... Oh, yeah, I don't know why I have a script. Oh well, I'm not going to destroy it because I think that has something to do with the O-reg. So if I go to, O-reg, does it have... No, it doesn't have anything in that. I don't know what it's used for. Oh well. But let's create... Let's create a sprite. So, the... Create sprite. This one's going to be S... Trap... Reg... TR-reg... TR-reg... No, let's just make it trap reg. S-trap reg, which means region. So, let's turn this to 32 because that's our size of everything. So, boop, edit image. fill it up with blue. Boop. Or let's change it up so it's a little less opaque, so a little more 50. Thank you. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, Control Z. Okay, boop. There we go. So we just need that. That's it. We just need to create an object now. Duplicate. Trap reg. So let's open that to close that because we need the trap system. Good. So textures, trap as trap reg. There we go. Add group. Reg. Reg. There we go. Oh, there we go. So now we have that. So I don't have to have those messy things. So it's a little more organized. We just need characters, and this is, I don't know what I was trying to do with this one. Oh yeah, this is for something else. This is for a save data thing, but I'm having someone else do that. So let's go into the maps. Let's go to rooms right now. So rooms, where is it? Rooms, and let's go to planes right now. This is just going to be our testing area for this concept, and it's a cool concept. So let's do this. Instances. Is this the region instances? Yes. So let's make so trap region. So it's blue though. It's hard to see. So I'm gonna actually visible. Wait, I actually have to make sure that it's sprite visible. No. That's what I have to do for the copy though. Okay, what did I want to do with this? Oh no, what was I trying to do? Oh yeah, I was, why did I forget? Okay, so edit image, I'm going to change this to kind of black. No, that's just going to make it gray. Would yellow work? Let's see if that works, because I don't want to make something too obvious, because there's no maps with yellow besides desert, but that wouldn't be really yellow. Boop. Oh, that's too green. Erase all that. Yeah, let's see if that works. I mean, I can still kind of see it, so I'm just gonna make this nice and not touch the actual thing. The reason why I don't want it to actually touch that's the texture. Why am I taking the texture? So the reason why I don't want it actually touching the thing, because I noticed that it's really hard for players to get the towers in these small one areas here. So when I make the trap area, I kind of want to make it seem more like it's actually in a trap. Like it's actually going to be easy to use more. So you can place it in areas that's more easier. The traps are kind of more still. I know I usually animate the towers, so I might animate the tower in a later stream or something. I kind of want to do a Minecraft stream with my buds, because that might be fun to do a Minecraft stream. So what do I want to? So yeah, I kind of want to do a Minecraft stream. I have like I got like a bunch of versions of Minecraft. I got a Wii U version. I got a not an Xbox. I got a, what's that version called? Pocket Edition. One of my I got a, what is it? Oh yeah, I got a Microsoft version, or Windows 10, so I guess I could get a refund on the Pocket Edition now, because I don't Well, I still use it every once in a while, but I guess I don't need it. I don't need it that much anymore, unless I get a controller. But I would take a PlayStation 1 for the phone. Way better. What else do I? I have Java. That was the first version I've ever gotten. Yeah, it was the first version I gotten, but the first version I've played was actually the Xbox. The story was one of my friends had gotten Minecraft, and he was like, "Hey, come over to my house and let's play." And I'm like, "Okay." And then he showed me Minecraft, and I'm like, "Whoa, what is this game? It's beautiful." And yeah, I just started to get into Minecraft. There we go. Oh my gosh, we did it. Oh, except for the middle area. Except for this area right here. That's going to be annoying to, to deal with in the game. Uh-oh. So, I haven't built... I want to make the Game Jolt, the thing, but there's certain things I don't have for it. Like, I don't have a proper title for this. So I'm just going to keep it simple as this right now. So just as the streams right now, because I don't want to worry too much about, the other stuff. So there we go. That is what we have so far. That's kind of good right now. So now what we need to do is we need to make sure that our traps work. So before I do make the traps, I want to make sure, do I want to make another tower? Hold on, I'm checking my notebook. I want to make sure that I know I wrote some stuff on here. So the only thing that I haven't built yet is the X-ball. Probably wondering what the heck is an X-ball. Well, the X-ball is actually really good. So the enemies I haven't built. So the X-ball is the only tower that I haven't built. The idea for the X-ball is that it can attack multiple enemies. I think that's what... Oh, no, it doesn't... the bullet passes through everything. I think that's what the X-ball is. And I need to work on Robo Cactus's double whammy thing. Because the Robo Cactus is supposed to target multiple enemies. That's still in a work in progress. And then, I have the enemies that I haven't built is... Well, I've just finished Batman. Or Robo-Bat. There's, Phantom Skull, Eyemore, Core, Goblet, Witch's Hat, Ghost, and Truant. Those are the only enemies I have not built yet. Polterghost. Ghost? I don't know. Okay, so we got all of this done. So now I know what to do. Oh wait, I need to also add this to... I need to overlap all of this right there. Wait, why am I just... Okay, there we go. And then... right there. So this near area right here, it should be harder to put your traps in there because I don't know why I'm just adding more stuff here. It should be harder for your traps to put in that little area. Otherwise the game just doesn't, it'll be weird and wonky on the thing. So there we go. Okay, now we can actually put in the trap's code, so we can actually make a good system for this. So I'm going to go to towers. I'm going to duplicate... No. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a completely new object, because this is going to be acting more like a standstill object. So I'm going to create an object. I'm going to call it O trap 1. O trap 1. We're going to create sprite textures. Towers. trap 1. So we got that done. Now we need to make. I do need to duplicate something though. So it's in the not. I need to create. I need to create a create event. So create. Convert to GameMaker logic. Or GameMaker logic, GameMaker language. Draw self. I just need to create. Create. Let's make a new variable. Trap HP. THP. THP. That's what we're going to call this one. Equals 1. So it has one use. We're just going to make that what we have it as. So THP equals 1. So we got that. Add event. We want to make a collision. We want to. So if it collides into parents or enemy parent, if it collides to anything that's an enemy, convert to GameMaker logic. HP minus or minus equals or minus equal. Oops, that's not. THP minus equals 1. Equals 1. Uh-oh. I gotta go to the enemies, because this is more acting like an enemy. Destroy. Or the collision. With other instance destroy. Alarm. So I want to control C that. So this is an alarm. Was that an alarm? Alarm 0. No, that was a step. That was a step. So we can go ahead and delete event. Create a step event. Let's go to GML and add that in. So there we go. Instance destroy. So if THP equals 0 or is lesser than or equal to 0, it is destroyed. So that's what we want it to do. So now we can make a destroy event. So this is just a simple thing that I'm going to do is destroy. Convert to GameMaker logic. If destroyed, sound or audio. It's audio start or audio beat. What is it? What is it? It's sound. It's audio play sound on. Is audio play sound just, and then hold on, I need to move these out of the way. And then what's in here? Sound did okay. Sound ID. So I want to make it. I did want to make. Whoops. So this is going to be loops. False. Priority. Let's make it 5. It's not a big priority. Sound ID. So sound ID. We want to sound. We want to create a sound because I actually did some stuff that I really am glad I did. So death. My phone buzzing. Oh yeah, it says my phone's buzzing. So this is SFX death 2. Let's make that death 2. So, oh wait, no, I made an actual good version of it. I made a good version of it. Where is it? What's in document? Odyssey. Ah, here it is. Reload. There we go. So that's That's one of them. Open. Nah. Which one should we do? Death 2 or Death 3? I like Death 2 better, so I'm gonna use this one. If that's what you guys want. I'm guessing this is a good one. So SFX Death 2. So we did that. Yay! We did it! S F X Death 2. We did it! Now we need to make sure that it actually collides with the enemy. So I know, so normally I can just go here and go to enemy parent, and then how do I visible? I'm gonna Google something real quick. I'm gonna make sure this works. How to change how to change color of text on the how to change character in Fortnite. What is that a thing? Why is that so big? What is it called? How to change a parent's code for how to change a parent's code from child GMS2. Changing parents in game. How would you do that? This is the original Game Maker thing. Parents that form the group child objects. One of the most powerful options within the object. But how do we change? How do we change the notification biker? What? Since when? Okay, so I wanted to make sure that everything's working good. So I'm going to make sure that let's change this to, what do we want to do? So enemy parent. Can we make it so it doesn't convert to drag and drop? No. Oopsie. Towers. Trap 1. Convert to Game Maker logic. What do I want to do? When you come across this trap, it's HP minus equals 15. Let's make it the same amount as a spike ball or a normal projectile. So there we go. We're done. That's all we need to do for the trap for now, because for at least that. So I want to. So it should be an enemy on this guy now. Yeah. But how do I unlock that? But now another. So what I don't understand is these are locked right here. All of these, except for this one. This is the only one that hasn't been locked, which is weird to me. The reason is because there should be some way you can unlock certain things, because I think there is. I just don't know how I did it with this one. So how do I What? Haha. Evil Knievel. So what do I want to do? What did I want to do? So, minus equals 15, and then that's it. So, now we have to make, we need we can duplicate these right here. We can duplicate these, which makes my life so much easier. So, trap 1. Oh, trap 1. So, this is C, right? Yeah, this is C. Textures. Towers. Trap 1. S trap 1. So, cost. 5! It's gonna be 5. So, every enemy you can get another projectile out of it. This would be... trap 1D. So this is very important right here. This is why I have another thing right here. So whoa, I wanted to duplicate this one. Trap 1D. There we go. So now that we got that, this should be red now. Sweet. Color white step. Oh, tower parent released. Oh, trap 1. Okay, there we go. So now, if this serves me right, let's get let's go to planes again. Let's go to objects. Let's go to towers click, because this is tower, these right here. So what is that? I have why is that just there? I don't know why. Okay, so traps, I want to make an area specific to them. So like right under the tower. So X ball would be here. So that would mean that, so if X ball is here, I can make traps under the X ball area. So right here, just put it right there for now. Right there. I think that's where they go. Okay, so let's play. It's gonna be a little loud because I didn't change the volume for me. Uh-oh. Oh no, it's gonna be loud for me. 30. There we go. Okay, there we go. So the object should be bigger now. Oh. Okay, there we go. So start game, planes, and now we have this one. So I can play... Oh, what? What? There. Trap 1D. Left click release. Trap 1D. Huh? Okay, I guess that... how did that... What happened? Huh? Does it work now? What the... Huh? Whoa, what? So let's go to tower drag. Step. Tower parent. Oh, reg. Oh, trap 1. Released... textures. I see what was going on. I forgot some stuff. Okay, so that way, there we go. Now it's, I forgot to change the textures for that. Another thing that I forgot was, trap region. Trap reg. And then another thing I want to make sure that is, well, that's just done then, right there, right? Oh, tower parent. This isn't a child of it. New object. Oh, so is, the mage maker is. Towers. Oh, trap. none. And I want to add a child. I want to add a child. I want to add a child. Boop. There we go. So now we have that. So let's run. There we go. So now let's just put a bunch of these buddies. Get them all. Get them. It works! Okay, so the traps work now. So I can just place a bunch of these. So we can also... This is a good time to test out, some other stuff. So I just wasted all my money on traps. So this is gonna be perfect. Let's do the all trap run. So that should be enough to kill them, right? Oh boy. I think I just screwed myself here. Wow. So that means that we have the new trap system working in. So we did it. We have a trap system working in properly now. And I can even make some more stuff later on in the game. So that's good. What time is it right now? Okay, so it's 4. Perfect timing. Perfect timing right there, guys. So, anyways, let's close that. I will see you all in the next stream. In that case, it's good. So now I can actually see some stuff. So that was good. That was a good one right there. We did it. So I will see you all in the next stream. It'll be the same time tomorrow at 3 p.m. to 4. So yeah, I will see you all later, and goodbye.